I'm Darren Kitchen, and as we celebrate 20 years of Hak5, I'm excited to announce a Wi-Fi Pineapple pager. We've been working on this for years, dreaming it up for longer. I'm so excited to finally share this with you. We rebuilt the engine, we've optimized kernel filters, we've replaced SQL. I know this is gonna sound crazy, it's like literally a million times faster. And of course that's gonna come to the other Pineapples, but that's not even the coolest part. You see, the pager runs payloads. It's built on Linux, it's got your favorite tools, it's got Bash and Ducky script, and it makes hacking fun. I think hacking should be fun. I don't know about you, but I love the things that are inspired and celebrate hacker culture. You know, war games, Mr. Robot, Watch Dogs. Hell, even some that feature Hak5 gear, which blows my mind to this day. For me, my favorite is Hackers. It's the classic from 1995 that was all about rollerblades and neon pagers, and I cannot believe that 30 years later, I'm introducing a Pineapple celebrating that era. The color screen, the 2.45 and 6 gigahertz, the Bluetooth, the ringtones and buzzer and RGB LED buttons, they all bring your payloads to life. And when the Wi-Fi airspace gets interesting, your pager's gonna be popping off. Like your crush blowing up your pager in the 90s, but today, it's payloads. And the pager's always at the ready, no need for a laptop. You can just manipulate Wi-Fi from your hands in high resolution. So with that, I am officially announcing the Wi-Fi Pineapple pager. I think you're gonna find it so much fun to use. And it's available for pre-order now. Come and see it at DEF CON or hak5.org. The first batch is ready. And your pre-order is gonna guarantee that you'll have one in hands when this launches later this year. Thank you. I started Hak5 20 years ago because I wanted a way to give back to the community that was there for me as a phone freak kid. And our community is amazing. Not by accident, but because we all make it welcoming. We make it a place where all hackers belong. So, thank you for 20 years, and trust your technolust.